What's up, my peeps? Everything cool, everything settle, everything airy. All right. So, guys, today you see this you're not here. Well, it's okay today. I'm gonna do a quick ponytail or updo for you. Easy, cheap, cheap, cheap. And guys, this pack of here, it's about 26 inches long and it's called Easy Braid, and I got it from AliExpress and they're selling it for about $4.99 up to like $5.99 a pack. And I bought a lot of them because I'm gonna do some braids in my hair, but today I'm gonna borrow a pack, and when I take it out of the package, this is how it looks. Beautiful and nice. And I'm gonna use this pack for my ponytail or my updo, whichever way you want to call it. All right, so the things I'm gonna use, guys, I'm gonna use some eco styling gel. This one has black castor oil in it, and I'm gonna use my got to be glue. And then I'm gonna use some spritz. This is Dove and L'Oreal Mousse. I'm gonna go in with a side part. And then I'm gonna catch everything else up in one at first. For this part, I'm gonna pull it out, and can you see it? I want it to go sideways like this. This is how I sleek it. Put lots of gel. There it is. So I have my toothbrush and I'm gonna make some baby hair. Put a little bit of mousse on it. And then I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of spritz. Now I'm gonna tie it. My hair takes forever to dry, my peeps, so I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna catch the middle. I have my hair right here. It's so beautiful. I have a black rubber band, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hold it in the middle, and then I'm gonna double the rubber band across in the middle, just like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna catch it on it. Woohoo! Isn't that lovely? Ooh, yes. And I'm gonna take out a portion and I'm gonna wrap it around. Just like that. So guys, to cover my hair, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in the middle and I'm gonna grab some of the hair, pin it on top of my hair so it doesn't show. And we're gonna see if my hair slay or nay, okay? So let's loose this tie head. Ow, ow, ow. Wow. And I think it can dry a little bit more too, but wow. Look at it, guys. This is my hair, it's slaying. Look at that, guys. Yes, yes. Slaying to the gods, my edges and all. Can you see it? Ooh, it's so pretty. And so my peeps, I'm gonna show you a few ways how you can wrap a sleek ponytail up or down. Doesn't matter. And look at it, guys. I love it. So you can wear it like this to the back, fluff it up to the side, either side, or you can part it in two because the hair is so full, and you can wear it like that. You can just grab this hair and twist it. Grab a rubber band and put it at the end. Just like that. You can wear it like that. You can wear it to the back. Twist it just a little bit tighter. And then you want to make a big wrap. Look at my hair. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So beautiful and nice. Now guys, I want to show you how to do the high top, you know, like a peak. So first, you want to separate the hair in two. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna wrap, let me move this out of the way, you're gonna wrap this around. You can wrap it loose or you can wrap it tight. It's up to you. And you want to go underneath till it's invisible. Really pretty. I love this one too. It gives me a high top. So guys, I have these two pieces and then I'm gonna wrap it. Then I'm gonna go under. And then you want to take the other one and you want to do the same thing. You can make it even longer by playing around with it. And there you have it. So I gave you long ponytail, I gave you short ponytail, I gave you somewhat coil ponytail, and then I gave you cone ponytail. So you can do whatever you want with it, guys. Once you have your hair up in one, you can work wonders. I think it's beautiful, it's fabulous, and it's amazing. So guys, this is it. This is the final result. I'm so excited for this updo, I mean. Yes, look at me, pretty and all. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, my peeps. One love and be blessed, and put God first. Yay, yay, yay. Bye guys.